All right, hello everyone. My name is Jerry Gregg, and I'll be doing a demo of my application, the File Club. What is the File Club? The File Club is a file management application which has the purpose of easing the laborious and sometimes a tedious task of organizing multiple files for different people. This application is ideal for lawyers, graphic designers, tax advisors, photographers, and pretty much any other profession that requires to have multiple files for different clients. The app will allow the provider to save their files and database into the File Club. And how they can share their files with their clients is by providing them limited access to their files. In this case, the particular file that I have created for the client. The provider will share a 16-digit security code to their client to grant them access to the desired files that they have created for them. The first user scenario experience that we have is for Sebastian Gregg. He's a 52-year-old and he's a member or a client from Taxan, which is a tax advising company. Sebastian would like to check his tax returns for the year of 2017. Sebastian is already a member, so he will just log in. And here we have the option to put his username and password, which he has already created before. He will also have the option if he wants to log in with Facebook or with Google. Now, in here, Sebastian will input his email and password. And here we have the main screen. Now, since Sebastian has never used a File Club with TaxSend, he'll put in his 16-digit security code. And now he's a member of a TaxSend company. And here we have different files that Sebastian has with the company. The tax returns, corporate structures, market investment, fiscal laws, previous consultation, estate planning. In this case, Sebastian would like to check his tax returns of the year 2017. The application here, whenever you select a file, will have different options to what to do. If you like to open the file, to send it to a particular email, to print it, or to simply delete it if Sebastian would desire. So he'll open the file, and here we have the tax return. In here is we can zoom and de-zoom the image. And here we have some information, the name of the file, date it was created, and what type of file it is. So every time we have a file opened, download icon will appear at the bottom of the screen. In this case, Sebastian would like to download the file into his device. In here we have a loading bar, which will confirm us that the download is being made, and the app will confirm whenever the download has been successfully done. I'll go back, and then Sebastian will simply log out here. Also, every time we log out, the File Club will confirm that we have closed our app and we have successfully logged out to have um to have that security. Now, the second user scenario that we have, it's Liliana Tosta. She's a 56-year-old and she's a restaurant owner. She's client of Creative Minds, which is an advertising company. Creative Minds runs posters, logos, and photo shoots for Liliana and her restaurant. In this case, Liliana, it's a new member of the File Club, so she'll have to register. In here we have different information that Liliana will have to input, like her first name, her last name, her email, her password, and to confirm her password. Also here we have the type of user that Liliana is. In this case, she's a client, so she'll select a client account, and she'll then input her information to create the account. And now she's a member of the File Club. And here we see the screen again. and then she'll put the 16-digit security code, and now the app will confirm that she's a member of Creative Minds. Here we see some information that Creative Mind has on file for Liliana, her logos, her photo shoots, her posters, and banners. In this case, Liliana would like to check the poster that Creative Mind has for her, and she would like to check the event posters of 2019. In this case, there's only one. Liliana would like to open the poster. Here we have some information of the poster again. And then Liliana will log out of the application. Now we have the third and last user scenario. Emilio Diaz, a 42-year-old lawyer, was a law firm called from Flamingo Law Firm. Emilio, it's also a new member of the Fog Club, so he's registering. But the difference in this time, Emilio will be a different type of user. He's going to be a marketer, a provider. So he'll select a marketer account, he'll input his information, and now he's a member of the Fog Club. Now, there's some differences in here when it's a marketer account. In here, we have the option to add a marketer channel in case Emilio offers different services. The app actually will allow to have an account with different marketer channels. So Emilio will add a marketer channel by hitting the add icon. And here, simply a marketer will have to put in the name of the channel and what type of services do they offer. As we said, it was Flamingo Law Firm, and it is a law firm. And then Emilio would hit create. And now the app will confirm that there's a new marketer channel created, the Flamingo Law Firm. In here, Emilio can add a profile image. He can add new clients, files, and in here, Emilio will see if he had been before created files and clients. In here, Emilio can see what clients and files currently have. Emilio then will simply log out now, and the application will confirm again that he has logged out. So thank you very much. I appreciate your time, and any feedback. It's always highly appreciated. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.